Hey, what's up you guys? It's Scott with Everyday Home Repairs, and today we are not focused on the home like usual. Instead, we'll be showing you how to change the battery on this Hyundai Sonata key fob. Specifically, this one's from a 2015 model, but you'll find the same key fobs on 2016 and 2017 Hyundai Sonatas, also some Elantras and other Hyundai models. Very simple, and you don't really need any tools. One, we're going to press this button and release the key. So we'll take the key out, and that's what we're going to use for a little leverage to open up this case. So the casing, you have the top part here, and then also the side part. That's together in one piece. And then you have this thinner bottom part. That's what we're going to pry off. So I'm going to put the key, get this in better focus here for you. Put the key in the top part here, and actually twist it slightly and then press down. So I'm going to twist it slightly and press down to pry that bottom part off. You see how that opened up there? We'll do it again, just so you can see. Okay, get a little better light in there. All right, so you'll put the top part of the key in the top piece, and then you'll pry down and twist, which will pop that bottom off. And then really once you get it loosened up like that, that's enough for you to just use your hands and take it apart. Okay, so a few pieces, you'll have the top button part come off, like we said, the housing and that side chrome piece, or one piece. You'll have this little rubber pad, which you can put back in here. Set that to the side. And then you'll have the actual circuit board with the buttons themselves, small LED at the top, and then it has the little processor here and then the contacts for the battery that's in the bottom housing. So again, we'll set that off to the side. And then all we have to do is pry out the old battery. And then these are a CR2032. It's a 3-volt battery. You can find them at Walmart or Walgreens. You won't find them all places where batteries are sold. You will want to have a little bit of selection of batteries, or you can just get them off Amazon, and I'll put a link. If you look down in the description, you'll see a link for a 2-pack on Amazon. They also have obviously many other 4-packs and Energizers or Duracells, or if you want just the Amazon brand. Okay, so really one of the only things you can screw up here is this is the positive side of the battery, and that will go down. So this is the new one that we're putting in. So we'll put the positive side down, negative side up. So what happens is this contacts the top part, which is the negative side, and then this little spring connector here will go on the side, which is actually the positive side. So I'm going to just set this in there, and I kind of come down from it like this so that the little spring bracket can set in. Now it might pop out on you a little bit, but you just kind of hold it in place. Now technically you could test it out here just to make sure everything's correct. You got a little LED up top, and then you have your buttons here. So the top button is for lock, and the second one is unlock. So let's just test it out. All right, just unlocked my doors. Now I'll lock them again. All right, so everything's working. I feel good about that. And I'm ready to put it back together. And that is it. So what I would do is line up the bottom piece here, the little button that you press to release the key. So I would line that up. And then once that's lined up, just press it back together. Once you get everything together, confirm again everything's working, which it is, and place the key back into the key fob. And that is it. Hopefully this one helped you out. Don't forget to give us a like and also subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out weekly.